Many people worry a lot when it comes to caring for their plants. When talking about houseplants, there is no need to worry. There are just a few things you need to consider. Number 1. Watering. A watering can is a must-have in every garden. It is recommended that you purchase the one with a narrow spout to ensure adequate watering. But that does not always apply, so the finger test may come in handy. Insert your index finger up to the first joint into the soil. If you feel that the soil is damp, don't water it. Otherwise, do. Number 2. Feeding. With foliage plants, they always need to be high in nitrogen. For flowering plants, on the other hand, K2O is needed. Fertilizers such as the slow-release ones can be mixed with the compost. However, some plants like cacti and orchids need special feeds. Feed plants on the height of their active growth. Number 3. Lighting. Plants like Sansevieria and Aspidistra require no shade. They can be placed away from a window. Spider plants need semi-shade. You can put plants like these near a window that does or does not get sunlight. Others need sun or no sun at all, like cheese plants. Number 4. Temperature. With houseplants, they can survive in temperatures a little bit higher than 15 to 250 C or 55 to 750 F, but drastic fluctuations of temperature may not be good for them. Number 5. Humidity. Some houseplants require a humid environment. One tip to maximize humidity is to put the pot inside a larger pot and fill in the gaps with stones or compost to keep in the moisture. The compost will not dry out. Plants are capable of creating their own climate if grouped together. This tip can also be used for keeping the soil moist. If you want, you can spray them with water once or twice a day depending on the day's temperature. Number 6. Repotting. Other plants require repotting for optimum growth, but some plants may not be suitable for this idea. They would not want their roots to be disturbed, or other plants' root system is small. One way to check if your plant needs repotting is to turn it upside down. Tap the pot to release the plant and check its roots. If roots are all you see, then repot.